Things seem to be moving really quickly in the GPU space. Just yesterday I was talking about the AMD RX 6900 XT in one of my videos. Do make sure to check it out in the video description. And I was saying that we might actually be seeing some AMD RX 6900 XT custom AAB partner cards. And lo and behold, today we find out that AMD has actually greenlit this project. However, you might actually not be able to get one of those cards this year due to time constraints and limited supply. So you're going to have to wait a little bit. But don't lose hope, because you might see some models come out quicker, since the 6900 XT shares a lot of its design with the 6800 XT, including the 300 watts total board power. And in yesterday's video, I've also talked about how the 6900 XT might be able to hit a whopping 3 GHz boost frequency. Yes, my friends, you did hear that right. Which makes it understandable why AMD would recommend an 850 watt power supply with this beast, and also take their time with releasing this card and sharing their information with the board partners. Either way, if you're not interested in the AMD RX 6900 XT, you might actually be interested in something that's a little bit cheaper and that is going to leak out a lot more in the upcoming days or weeks, which is the 6700 and the 6700 XT. Now, the information we've got about that card so far is limited to the boost clocks and the power limits from Igor's lab. These cards will also be able to hit a theoretical 2.8 GHz, which makes sense since the entire RDNA 2 architecture is completely insane. In many cases, this is almost 1 GHz more than what you could do with most graphics cards at this point, and I do expect that the AMD Radeon RX 6700 XT and the RX 6700 are both going to launch in January. These cards will feature the Navi 22 chip, and I do expect the 6700 XT to come in with 40 compute units. And if I'm going to find out more information about those cards, then do make sure that you're going to be finding it over here. So definitely hit that subscribe button if you'd like to keep yourself informed. And if you're finding my channel for the first time, then hi, this is Alex, and I run a channel called The Red Elk, where I happen to talk quite a lot about the latest news in tech and gaming. So if you enjoyed this video, then keep on watching and toss this video a like and leave a comment in the comment section down below. I'd like to start a discussion with you regarding those new graphics cards from AMD and from Nvidia. Trust me, I happen to talk a lot about them on my channel. Either way, this has been Alex with The Red Elk. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.